Good afternoon, you all. So, today we will be discussing about Geography Chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is India's Size and Location. And if there is anything left in Civics Chapter 1, which we discussed yesterday, then we will be discussing the next day, okay? So, today let me discuss Chapter 1 Civics, and this is the MCQ based. And first question, the Tropic of Cancer doesn't pass through. The Tropic of Cancer doesn't pass through. Just remember, doesn't pass through, right? And the options are there. Options, just you go through the option and just recall the days when we discuss about this chapter and answer. So be ready and let me count. One, two, three. Now disclose the answer. Okay. Option B. Yes, correct answer. Na? Odisha. Na? Tropic of Cancer doesn't pass through Odisha. Okay, it was the question given in NCRT book. Okay, so next question, that is question number 2. The easternmost longitude of India is. The easternmost longitude of India is easternmost, just easternmost part of India, that is Arunachal, right? Just now remember the longitude of easternmost longitude of India. That means the longitude which passes through Arunachal. I might have told you the name of the place also, but forget about the name of the place. Just remember the longitude and tell me. Okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, 97 degree 25-minute east. Okay, question number 3. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim have common frontiers with. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, and Uttarakhand have common frontiers with. Options are there. Just think. Myanmar, Nepal, okay, Bhutan, China. Okay, correct option 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, that is the Nepal one. Okay, C. Question number 4. If you intend to visit Kavaratti during your summer vacation, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? That means here you have been asked the capital of Lakshadweep. Okay, if you know the capital of Lakshadweep, perhaps you can answer it properly. Okay, so counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay. Now question number 5. My friend hails from a country which doesn't share land boundary with India. Identify the country. That means the question is to which given options. Okay, India doesn't share land boundary. Okay, Bhutan, Tajikistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Okay, just recall, just remember and answer me. Okay, so counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, option B, Tajikistan. Okay, correct. Now question number 6. How many states and union territories does India have? Options which are given over here, I think the options are totally wrong. Okay, so if you know the correct answer, just type it. Okay, because the options which are given here totally wrong. So let me tell you, the 28 states it's correct, and there should be 8 union territories. Okay, 28 and 8. Okay, just you remember this, because these options are given options are wrong. Now let's talk about the next question. Which line divides India into approximately 2 equal parts? Which line divides India into approximately 2 equal parts? India. Okay, so just see the option. Equator, does it divide India equally into 2 equal parts? Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, none of this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, Tropic of Cancer. Okay, if you have answered correctly, then clap for yourself. Okay. Now, question number 8. What is the position of India in the world in respect of area? What is the position of India in the world in respect of area? Area wise, India's position. Fifth largest, sixth largest, seventh largest. Okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, seventh largest. Perhaps most of you can answer it very easily, right? So, question number 7. Sorry, 9. Which meridian is fixed as a standard meridian of India? Which meridian is fixed as a standard meridian of India? And I think you already know the answer very well, so better not to delay. So counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, 82 and a half east. Now, question number 10. The latitudinal extent of India lies between which latitude? Okay, just remember, recall and answer. Okay, just remember, recall and answer. Okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, 8 degree 4 minutes not to 37 degree 6 minutes not. Perhaps you all know the answer very well. Okay, now question number 11. Tropic of Cancer passes through which of these states? Which of these states? Tropic of Cancer passes through which of these states? Okay, Bihar, Punjab, Odisha, Tripura. Okay, perhaps you know the answer, so let me begin the counting. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, Tripura. Now, question number 12. Which of the following longitudes is selected as the standard meridian for India? Standard meridian of India. Which longitude? Just remember. Just remember. We might have done the calculation also, right? So, you know it. You remember it very well. So, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, 82 degree 30 minute east. Now, question number 13. Which of the following is the oldest route of contact between India and other countries of the world? Which of the following is the oldest route of contact between India and other countries of the world? Okay, that means in the past. India had a trade relationship with many other countries, right? But during that time, you don't perhaps think that there might be aeroplane, you know? There can be air routes, and when you talk about the sea route also, it was developed later, you know? And maritime also, that maritime and sea, that means the same, it was developed later. And what could be the correct option? Okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, line route beginning, you know? Now 16, sorry, 14. How many states and union territories are there in India? Same question, repeated question, and you already know the answer. 28 and 8. Okay. Now question number 15. India achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during which of the following period? During which of the following period? Okay. Answer, perhaps you know, it might be given in the last of the chapter or might be beginning of the chapter, I don't remember, whatever. Okay, if you know the answer, now counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, during the last 5 decades, during last 5 decades में बहुत अच्छा progress हुआ है इंडिया में, कह रहा है. Okay, now question number 16. Which of the following is the longitudinal extent of India? We talk about latitudinal extent, and now here the question is longitudinal extent of India. Longitude. Okay, just remember and answer. Counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Start. Okay, disclose the answer. 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, now question number 17. Easternmost longitude of India east. Easternmost longitude of India east. Okay, that is passing from Arunachal, I think Kibithu, like that. Okay, so longitude. Okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, 97 degree 25 minute east. Perhaps you everybody know the answer. So next question. Which latitude passes through the southernmost point of India's mainland? Southernmost point of India's mainland, remember mainland, okay, southernmost point of India's mainland. So just remember, recall and answer. Okay, so counting begins. 1 2 3, disclose the answer. Okay, 8 degree 4 minute not. 19. Which of the following groups of islands belonging to the Indian territory lies in the Arabian Sea? That means Arabian Sea, there are a group of island, and which group of island is there in Arabian Sea, isn't it? Okay. Okay. So counting begins. 1 2 3. Disclose the answer. Okay. Perhaps you knew the answer, right? So next 20 number. What is India's size with respect to other countries of the world? That means size of India. We have already discussed the same type of question earlier too. So you already know the answer. So 1 2 3, disclose the answer. Okay, seventh. 21. Which geographical features bounds India's mainland south of 22° north latitude? Which geographical feature bounds India's mainland south of 22° north latitude? You might have got the question. Okay, if you didn't get the question, then let me explain. That means southern part of India. Southern part of India, it is surrounded by. Question is very simple. The theme of the question is southern part of India. Southern part of India, it is surrounded by fold mountain, desert, lava plateau और sea and ocean. कैसे घिरे southern part of India को? Okay, you know the answer, you got the points perhaps. So let me begin the counting. 1 2 3. Okay, disclose the answer. Okay, sea and ocean, right? Now 22. Both the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India's mainland is about 30°. Okay, that means from west to east extension approx 30° difference, and north to south extension also approx 30°. That means latitudinal extent 8° 4 minutes to 37° 5 minutes na, as 37° 6 minutes. Okay, the approx 30° difference is there, and west to east also 68° 7 minutes to 97° 25 minutes, approx 30° difference is there. But on looking at the map of India, which of the following alternative do you observe about India's size? Okay, तो 30° का ही difference है, चाहे आप ईस्ट टू वेस्ट का एक्सटेंशन देखिए या तो नॉर्थ टू साउथ का एक्सटेंशन देखिए. बट द ऑप्शन देखो, ईस्ट वेस्ट एक्सटेंड अपियर्स टू बी स्मॉलर देन नॉर्थ साउथ एक्सटेंड. ये इनमें से कौन सा पॉइंट करेक्ट होगा? ओके, एक्सटेंशन से में 30 का ही है. नॉर्थ टू साउथ भी देखेंगे 8° से लेकर के आप 37 तक चलिए ना, 37° 6 मिनट तक, तो अप्रोक्स 30 मिनट का हो ही गया, अप्रोक्स 30° का हो ही गया. और इसी तरह से आप देखेंगे इधर में 68° 7 मिनट से 97° 25 मिनट, दैट मीन्स अप्रोक्स 30° का डिफरेंस है वहाँ पर भी. तो फिर भी क्या है ऑप्शन? You might have got the answer. So counting begin. 1 2 3. Disclose the answer. Okay. फिर भी क्या होता है? East west extent appears to be smaller than north south extent. Okay. Appear दिखता है वैसा. ठीक है. इसमें कुछ डाउट लगा था आपको, बता दीजिए. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. इफ द लोकल टाइम ऑफ द्वारका 69°, ओके, अप्रोक्स 69 ही मान के चलेंगे इसको. ठीक है. इन गुजरात टू द वेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया 6 AM. गुजरात का जो द्वारका जो है वहाँ पर 69° जो जिसका लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल वैल्यू जो है वहाँ पर 6 AM हो रहा है. व्हाट विल बी द लोकल टाइम एट डिब्रूगढ़ 94° 58 मिनट, इस जिसको हम लोग अप्रोक्सीमेटली 95° मानेंगे. ठीक है. 95° ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड जो असम जो है वहाँ पर क्या टाइम होगा? ओके, सो ये सभी के लिए तो शायद उतना आसान नहीं होगा. ओके, बट हाँ, कुछ बच्चे जो होंगे आसान से कर भी सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने इसका कैलकुलेशन भी करके देखे थे. इसी का तो नहीं, बट इससे रिलेटेड कुछ कैलकुलेशन हम लोगों ने करके देखे थे, और वो वीडियो भी होगा टाइम कैलकुलेशन का. ठीक है. सो आप कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हो, कैलकुलेशन करके बताइए. जैसे कि आपने गुजरात एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश के बारे में पढ़े थे ना, अप्रोक्स कितना डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड का डिफरेंस है 30 डिग्री एंड 1 डिग्री इक्वल्स टू 4 मिनट बोल के पढ़े थे, तो अप्रोक्स 120 मिनट का डिफरेंस, दैट मीन्स 2 आवर्स का डिफरेंस बोल के पढ़े थे। और इसमें टाइम, ईस्ट में टाइम क्या होता है, फास्ट होता है, वेस्ट में होता है जो उसका टाइम जो होता है बैक होता है, लेट होता है। सो उसी अकॉर्डिंग जस्ट यू कैन कैलकुलेट इट, ओके। And if you get the answer, then let me begin the counting. 1 2 3, डिस्क्लोज द आंसर। ओके, 7:44 होगा। ओके, क्योंकि आसाम क्या है, ईस्ट में है, गुजरात कहाँ है, वेस्ट में है, तो डेफिनेटली आसाम का टाइम क्या होगा, गुजरात से क्या होगा, फास्ट होगा ही। ओके, और ये दोनों का लॉन्गिट्यूडनल डिफरेंस आप निकाल लेंगे तो ये आसान से आप निकाल पाएंगे। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम लगता है तो बताइए, तो वीडियो में दिया हुआ है ये टाइम कैलकुलेशन ऑलरेडी। ओके, नाउ 24, द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया 82 डिग्री 30 मिनट east passes through which of the following places? Okay, just counting begin, 1 2 3, okay, disclose the answer. Okay, Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. Perhaps you knew the answer, right? Which of the following has reduced India's distance from Europe by 7,000 kilometer? Okay, the same point is given in your book at the last of the chapter. Okay, so you might have studied about this in your class. So let me disclose the answer. Okay, switch channel. Okay, this much for today. Okay, I'm getting a little bit disturbed, so this much for today, and next we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you.